Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Hey, good morning, everybody. It is Monday, September 6th today. If you guys noticed the little banner there, I am competing in the Patrick Wieland's competition. So I took 2 trades yesterday in that account. Currently up $1,863. But I was taking a look at their sort of like leaderboard here. That's what we got right here, and I'm really far from any of the people in the leaderboard here. So it looks like the highest person is up at 12,000 already. So definitely got some work to do here. Getting further down on the list, top 25. Still at 5,000 on the day already. So the lowest entry or person that's made it on there is 49th place, and that's $3,762. So got some work to do. I'm gonna try to place anywhere up there. Although maybe it just is a matter of not blowing up during the week here. But yeah, I'm having fun so far with it. And yeah, we'll see how it goes here. All right, so just taking a look at the price action from yesterday. Actually, let's take a look at make sure our financial juice is all hooked up properly here.
Music licensing.
Okay, we're connected there. Take a quick look. October 6th news coming up. BOE government Bailey's text release. It's a red folder at 8. German industry orders month over month. So not a whole lot coming up today. Yeah. So not much to worry about so far. Let's just scroll back through the feed and see if anything happened overnight. And to be honest, it doesn't really look like it. It says shutdown threatens to drag on for days as positions harden.
Artlist.io.
It's going to refresh the stream here and make sure it's up to date. Yeah, nothing new came, so looking good there.
Music licensing reimagined.
Five minutes to the open here. Looking like we could do Zach Arbucci's model here.
Artlist.io.
So we would be waiting for a closure below 25,172. Let's look at the 1 minute and just see if there's anything on there on the one that we could see that even earlier. 25,180.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Oh, coffee's ready. So looking like we got about 8 viewers right now. 4 on Randy's X channel, 2 on my X channel, and 2 on Nick's X channel, which we just recently added to the stream output. So, hey, what's up to anybody that's over there if you're new? Thanks for checking us out.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
All right, so where's this?
Licensing reimagined.
Real quick. So we got 176 down to 171. The 2 minutes here till the open. Looks like we're pretty bullish right now out of the gate, everybody. But, pumping hard in the morning here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Give it the 5 here, just make sure that we got this correct. We gotta be at the bottom of that wick right there to right there. Okay, so this is our fair value gap here that we're looking for an inversion on.
Artlist.io.
So far, we're looking pretty bullish out of the gate here. NQ is by far looking the most bullish out of all 3 indices here. We'll take a quick look at that. So, I mean, ES definitely still looks pretty bullish. YM a little bit sideways, but NQ is definitely the most bullish. Like, look at that. It just like kept pushing higher and higher and higher and higher and higher. So hard to say bearish at all at the moment, guys. We're so far above the VWAPs and everything. So, but I am looking for just a small scalp off the inversion of that fair value gap here, so we can get a
Artlist.io.
we can kind of shoot for this kind of strategy here. We're going to probably cover part way down here some, and then let the rest run. So market's open now, I think. Yep, market's open now. So let's get our, I'm going to just get my view up. So I'll go in here on TradingView real quick. And get a different bit of music going here.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
4 minutes left on this candle here. If we get an inversion of this fair value gap, I'll be taking a short. I am trading Patrick Wieland's tournament here on the side. This is just my regular account. I still want to kind of focus on that as being my more important trades for the week, especially since I'm really so far away from potentially being on the leaderboard at this point. So I'm gonna have to have some miraculous trades coming up here to catch up. But currently looking for that inversion here.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'll take a quick look at my MSTR position. So I'm up so nicely in that trade. I entered at 303, and now we're at 363. So I'm up $60 per share that I picked up. So slightly pulling back here still, guys. So if we can get this inversion here, we can think about entering
Artlist.io.
entering short for the continuation lower. Dipped into that fair value gap a little bit right there. Looks like we got Nick coming on. Hey, Nick. Morning.
Good
Music
morning.
licensing reimagined.
How you feeling for the day?
I'm feeling okay. Hard to be bearish, but I am looking for a short right now.
Really?
Yeah, just a scalp. It's Zach Arbucci's model. We're trying to invert a bullish fair value gap currently, and then if we do get that inversion, I'm probably going to jump in for a short scalp. 2 minutes left on this candle though, so looking like we are getting that currently. It's just a matter of if we're going to close down here or not.
I'm definitely not going short with you today.
Yeah, no, it's all good.
Music licensing reimagined.
AMD went up 35% overnight on a news event.
Yeah, nice.
We're only 3 minutes into the open, so I get to sit here and just look at pretty red and green candles.
Artlist.io.
Gold's
I ended up
going
taking
up
one
still.
more
Jeez.
trade. Sorry?
What's that? Okay.
I ended
Sorry.
up taking one more trade in that Patrick Wieland's competition, and I'm up 1863. But I was taking a look at the leaderboard, and the leaderboard has like people that are up over
Music
10K already.
licensing
So
reimagined.
the first place is up 12 grand already.
All right. Well, I have proven over and over again that you can lose 12 grand in about a nanosecond.
Yeah, for sure. Especially the way that they're going so hard at it. So it'll be
Oh, yeah.
interesting what happens here after the open.
Yep. People are going to be full porting their accounts just to try and win. Not my trading style. I can't do that.
I got 10 seconds on this candle here. It's looking like we are going to get that inversion.
You think it's going to drop, eh?
Music licensing
Yeah, for a bit, I
reimagined.
think. Yeah. So let's see if I can get an entry here.
Oh, man. You might be right.
I'm only entered with three micros so far.
Artlist.io.
You're on the NQ, right?
Yes. The other two didn't have the setup. So what we do is we're trading towards a midnight open price. And yeah, so far the other two indices already had engaged the midnight open price really recently.
Music licensing reimagined.
Nice little drop for you off the open.
Yeah, I'm a little bit red in this current trade. It can bounce on me a bit here. Let's see if this fair value gap, inverted fair value gap holds. That's kind of what the question is now, right? So I'm not going to be adding anything else to this trade. Just don't want to risk that much. So
Music licensing
not on the opening
reimagined.
bell. But let's see if we can't get this to play out here. Currently, that fair value gap's holding fairly decently. We did wick through it already, but we've kind of come down below it again. So 3 minutes on this candle, so I'm going to have to wait a little while for us to for sure get this inversion here, or continuation of the inversion. And it might not work, you know, we are so bullish right now that it could just bounce on us, but $243 left on this candle here, so
Music licensing reimagined.
should be interesting to see what happens here.
Interesting is one way of putting it.
Artlist.io.
2 minutes left on this 5 minute candle here. But yeah, we're looking pretty strong, so I don't know. Maybe this is going to work today. We
Well,
did just
trend
sort of
hasn't been
reject
set.
that previous day high. What's that?
The trend hasn't been set yet. You got another 7 minutes for that, so. Mike from Traders Post was saying he ends up taking a lot of trades before the opening range is set because of
Oh, really?
the amount of movement there.
Yeah, yeah. Morning, Jose.
Artlist.io.
Got a little over a minute left on this candle, so if we need to get a closure. We need to keep closing below that fair value gap, or else I might end up exiting this trade right away. So far, it is coming back a little bit more in the direction that I am looking.
Music licensing reimagined.
YM's looking so bearish right now, guys.
Is it?
Yeah, it's just dropping like a rock. Three big red candles in a row. 625, 630, and now this current candle. So we're almost back to my entry price right now. So, hey Wayne, good morning. How you doing?
Artlist.io.
So we're right at my entry price right now. Back to break even. There we go. Starting to get a little bit pushed lower here.
Oh, I see where you entered.
Yeah, well, I waited for the inversion of the fair value gap, right? And then I entered, so. But it's bouncing. We got 13 seconds on this candle. We really needed to close down here.
Music licensing.
Try to get some more continuation. We are so bullish overnight, so I'm not looking for like a huge move, right? I'll probably be taking a couple off and then just leaving a runner. Let me do this here. Let me buy 2 there. So we did close below that fair value gap, which is definitely good. Now, are they? You know, it looks like it kind of wants to continue bouncing here. So hard to say what's going to actually happen here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, bouncing again, pretty strong here.
Yeah, the ES is bouncing too.
And YM still looking pretty bearish.
NQ's got orders up at 215. Got almost 1,000 orders up there. It's got 800 at 25, 190, 195.
Yeah, 250. I see 69 on mine, but I'm on NQ. You're on NQ, right?
Yep, I'm on
Music
NQ.
licensing reimagined.
Oh, my book map's all screwy again. What the hell is going on here?
Yeah, it's like that does sound a little big.
Yeah, this is price isn't even matching up on here.
I need to reset it.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Yeah, this looks like your short's gonna play out well.
Let's hope so. It's kind of still just.
I'm not in a trade, so I'll cross my fingers for you.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Not in a long.
It just keeps getting down to my price here, and it's like just bouncing right exactly at my entry price.
Oh, that's rough.
Music licensing reimagined.
It's like they know that my order's there. It's making it resistance or something.
The market's against you.
They can
There
see
you
my
go.
sim orders.
Yeah, our tiny little orders that make zero difference in the market.
Artlist.io.
Yeah. Right. Even if it was live, it still would make like no difference. Our couple contracts. Not when you got like $1 billion buying power and you just can, buy thousands.
Do you know how much money I could lose in a day if I had $1 billion worth of buying power?
Right? There we go. Starting to get that little push lower here.
I like that for you.
I'm gonna pull down my TP here a little bit. Let's see if we can't get some more continuation, sort of towards the value area high, which is at 25,098. So I'm not gonna go any lower than my partial take profit at this 16 level, because I remember 25,110 yesterday was a pretty key level. So we're currently up 170 on this trade. Kind of have half a mind to just close this right here. Let's see if we can't get a touch. Come on, hit that order. I got my order 5,116. Here, we're getting close to it. I'm
Looking good on the 1 minute.
I'm gonna take it right there. So I got my 2 of my 3 contracts off there. Worst case scenario. We're gonna stop out on the remainder. I got my full take profit down here at the point of control. So yeah, that worked out pretty good. Had to be patient for a bit there, but and I might get stopped out here if we keep bouncing like we are on the remaining contract. But that one's locked in profit at $14. So I had 160 or 132 yesterday. Yeah, 132, I think.
Music licensing
Let's double check this.
Now
Yeah, I had
you're trading
130 yesterday, and I closed another 144 this morning so far. So
You trading that competition thing right now?
no, I kind of is just focusing on my funded account. There we go. I'm out. So my 2 copy traded funded accounts are now up basically $300 on the day between my trade last night and this morning. So all right, so there's that trade's done, over with, and get that off there. Now I can look at maybe taking a trade on the Patrick Wieland competition here. I just didn't want to I didn't want to blow my my gains on that account so fast in the morning. So
Yeah.
I'm trying to be a little more patient with that. Although I
Telling
could have
you
definitely taken a trade.
Telling you might place in that competition just by not blowing up your account.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
Artlist.io.
I've got this bee that's sitting in front of my face
Oh yeah.
trying to mess with me today.
I see you're in a different spot again today. So you guys at a new house?
Oh no, I'm just at the back side of the house.
Okay, gotcha.
Music licensing reimagined.
I was up front earlier and the howler monkeys were irritating the crap out of me.
Oh yeah. That's interesting to see those guys.
Yeah, interesting's one way of putting it.
It would be fun at first, right? And then over time, it's probably more like you guys are
The novel-
pretty good.
The novelty of it wears off real quick.
Yeah. Especially when they start messing with your stuff, right?
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
I had a capuchin monkey try and steal my phone the other day. That was fun.
Oh yeah.
No, I've been up since about 3:30 this morning.
Oh yeah.
I walked outside. It's just the howler monkeys
Music
yelling at
licensing
what? I have no
reimagined.
idea.
No.
Just screaming back and forth to each other, and then I'm standing out there watching these giant bats flying around my head.
Oh, crazy.
Sounds and looks like a horror movie right now. Then the sun comes up and it's beautiful, but
Yeah.
don't get lost in the jungle at night. That's
Artlist.io.
my words of advice.
Yeah.
Some weird shit out there.
Yesterday, I did end up taking a loss. Actually, unfortunate. I don't know. I was sitting at the computer and I'm updating some videos and stuff that I had to
Music licensing
get off of the
reimagined.
StreamYard, and so I was kind of just going through it. And then I thought I saw a decent opportunity, so I ended up taking a short that went against me, and I lost $200. And then I ended up flipping about 30 minutes, 20 minutes later, and I was thinking it was going to be a long, and then that one stopped me out. So I ended up losing almost $450 in my 50K funded account.
Artlist.io.
Oh no!
Yeah. So kind of set back, some of the trades that I took in my funded accounts or my other accounts yesterday. But I mean, it is what it is. Luckily, I wasn't trading my copy
Music
traded accounts.
licensing reimagined.
So then just before bed, I was about to go to bed, and then I saw another opportunity. And I took a long in my 250K accounts, and I made 140 there in the two
You
accounts.
just can't stop yourself, can you?
Yeah, I just like I would say I almost had a tilt moment last night. Like I really shouldn't have been taking any of those trades. So I kind of looking back, after I got out of that trade, I was like, what's wrong with me right now? I shouldn't be trading. Like it's late, I'm tired, I've been at the computer all day. But it's just, it's hard to not get sucked in when you're watching it, right? When it's on your screen.
Yep.
So yeah.
I understand it completely, but I try really hard not to get caught up in that.
Yeah.
It's just messes with your mental capital. You end up stressed out. The next day you come back to the chart, you're tired, you're cranky.
Yeah.
You lost too much money the night before, and it just messes with you.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was feeling this morning. So I'm pretty happy to get this win out of the gate here. And that's why, again, I went pretty small size on this trade.
So I just short.
Yeah. You just took a short?
Yeah. Nice. Took a short on NQ right at 25,166.
Nice.
Music licensing reimagined.
Let's see if this messes with me at all today.
Yeah.
Took my $1,400 win from last night, so I'm playing with house money at the moment.
Nice. There you go. Nice move in the favor there. Oh, there you go. 20 points.
Yeah, I'll take that. All right. Cool.
Beautiful. Awesome. That was a very nice trade. You did
appreciate that.
You said you had like 5 accounts or something.
Right now I'm trading. That was 12 minis. So yeah, I'm on 9 accounts or 12 accounts right now.
Okay, nice, beautiful. Yeah, that was
12
nice
accounts.
Trade. Short MNQ 153.75. Nice short there entry also. And looking like they're trying to push a little lower here, guys.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for a little bit.
Yeah, I took my early trade already, so our range is set here. Was it on this candle? Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
There. All right. Just framing up our opening range there. Looks like Austin and Randy are looking at shorts right now.
So we're all in the same boat. I wasn't thinking going into the day that I was going to be short bias, but that's kind of what it's looking like now.
Yeah, I mean, we may not pull back too far. We're definitely like due for a pullback though, right? Like overall, still bullish, obviously.
I mean, I can short scalps, but I am not going to be a short seller for holding anything for longer than a couple of minutes at this point.
Yeah,
I'm going to be short. I'm going to be in it and out of it as quickly as humanly possible, and I'm going to be satisfied with a small win. If I make a couple of those in the day, I'm good. But I got no reason to be short for a longer time frame. Yeah,
and I mean, we're not in a bearish trend, right? It's one thing to be looking to take some money out of the market on some pullbacks, right? But my point of view definitely is at some point we're probably going to be going higher. At some point today, maybe it's going to be, pretty soon. It might be in a couple hours, but
I mean, we're hitting all-time highs day after day. We had a little bit of pullback on was it September 25th, I think, or 23rd?
Yeah.
So September 23rd there was a pullback, 24th, 25th, and then starting on the 26th, higher highs, higher lows the entire time, and now it's looking like it's going to continue in that direction.
Yeah, I agree. There is a decent amount of room to head lower, though, today on the day if we were to, because we do have that trend, that bullish trend line, long-term bullish trend line. So they might end up pulling us back towards that area before they really step on the gas for the virus. But yeah, we'll have to see how this starts to play out in the morning here. How's Jose short? I don't know if he closed that or not, but he kind of went a little red there, but he's back in the money now.
Good deal.
I think Wayne was asking where are you located. So he's in Costa Rica right now, Wayne. Because you were
tell by the damn mosquitoes flying around my head.
Yeah. So I don't see those guys in a short or anything right now. He did frame up a short, but I don't know if he took that trade.
No. I took my one little short for a win. I'm just gonna again sit on my hands until I get some good information telling me which direction to go.
Yeah.
Oh hell, I might just open up my degenerate account and full port a short.
Yeah.
Do 20 contracts and try and get 5 points out of it.
I was thinking about full porting the Patrick Wieland competition long. Opposite trend, just go for it.
Are you
reimagined.
You're on NQ?
Yes.
If you're thinking about doing something like that, look at
Dow just like fell off a cliff down 200 points.
Look at 25,073 for a level. If you're being serious about full porting along, I wouldn't do it right now.
Yeah.
But setting limit orders down at 25, like the 25,070 area.
Yeah.
That's a good area to be going long today.
Music licensing
nice. Okay.
reimagined.
Now, this is just an opinion. It is not financial advice because
for sure. Yeah.
I'm a dumbass, so don't trust a thing that I say.
I'm gonna grab coffee here real quick. I'm slowly getting this
I was
account.
Just thinking the same thing.
Artlist.io.
What am I? I'm $1,000 away from getting this account out of drawdown. So getting better. I was down almost $2,000 not too long ago.
You'll make that back in no time.
Music licensing reimagined.
Base hit.
Jose, your short's doing great.
Yeah, 37. Hopefully you're covering
points on it.
You've got a stop now and well in profit. Keep holding the daily anchors. Support daily anchor.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I have to make up for Friday's losses I took on stream with you.
Oh yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Woof.
That was rough.
Yeah, I mean,
it's just, those wins can go nicely in your favor with so many accounts, but just as much as it can go in your favor, it can go against your right.
Oh man. And when you look at that number, it stings. It's
pretty heart-wrenching, isn't it?
Like, oh man, did I really lose that much money today?
That's too
You
much.
cry a little bit. And
Artlist.io.
That's too much. I don't want. Can I take it back?
you can't. And you can't make it back either. That money, as soon as you lose it, it's gone. You're not making that money back. You might be able to get some different money, but you're not making that one back.
Yeah.
Music
I looked at my
licensing
week though. It was actually
reimagined.
green on the week, so I was happy about that.
Yeah, for sure. That's awesome. That's what really matters, right? I know it sucks day to day when we have those losses, but really, if you can just keep grinding, month, quarter, year, that's what really matters, right?
I try and keep my my winning days about 10 times bigger than my losing days.
Nice. Yeah. So that one loss was a little bit of an outlier, though, right?
That was my second largest loss of the year. My largest loss of the year was 30. I believe it was 38 or 39,000.
Wow.
Went the same way though. It was not a very long time frame trade. I zigged, NQ zagged, and I shed one single tear and closed my computer and went and got myself a steak.
You're like, oh, thanks for coming.
Yep, I mean, essentially.
Artlist.io.
I wish there was a way you could copy your like trading view layout, like not the layout, but like all your levels and everything. If you could just like copy it and then go to like a different trading view platform like Project X or something and just like apply it there. You know what I mean?
Yeah, wouldn't that be lovely?
Just make all your levels on trading view, take a quick copy of that, plop it on, and everything's exactly where it should be. That'd be just like, wow, we need to write that program.
Well, somebody needs to. I don't have that skill set, so the hold on one second.
Hopefully you took some profits there, Jose. Because you're a little bit in the red right now. Make sure you pay yourself. So Patrick Wieland's up like around 5,000 in his competition account. So he's taking part of the tournament. I don't think he's going to take a prize or a top place. If he gets a top place, he'll just obviously defer it to somebody, right? But
I mean, I would hope.
Yeah, but I think he just wants to, compete with everybody.
Well, yeah, I mean, I've checked out his Twitter account, X account, whatever the hell it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, the guy's definitely good at marketing. I wonder what that guy's like in real life. If he's probably just like super mellow, really kind. Like, yeah. All right, I'm cool.
Yeah, he's got some energy on the stream.
It sells. It sells
sure.
prop firm challenges through his affiliate codes. It gets him views on all of his social media stuff. I get it.
Yeah. So everybody's looking a little bearish, except for NQ's looking pretty strong. What is it? It must be the Mag 7 that's super bullish right now.
NQ is not looking strong.
No? I mean, relative to the other two indices.
It's in a downtrend. It's under the 9 and the 21, under VWAP, and there's orders on book below it. None of those things are telling me strength at all.
True.
Unless I'm reading this wrong.
But we are holding is that the electronic VWAP? Yeah, we're holding our electronic VWAP right now, or the overnight VWAP. All those wicks on the bottom of these last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minute candles. I definitely cut my trade a little too early there. Could have held that for a
I don't look at the electronic VWAP.
Yeah.
After opening range is set, I switch it over to regular trading hours.
Gotcha.
I think of the overnight kind of like I think of Las Vegas. What happens in the overnight stays in the overnight. I don't talk about it. I don't think about it. I wait for new information based on this session. I mean, if it goes up to like midnight's price or something like that, yeah, I'm going to take notice of it. But in the grand scheme of things, I don't care.
Yeah.
You know, as I say that, it breaks over session VWAP with a pretty strong candle.
Yeah, I put on a high day VWAP from that pre-market high, and we're just holding above it right now.
So what would that be, like 175, 176?
The high day VWAP sitting at 171.75.
Okay.
Right at the low of this.
I'm trying to do math in my head, and I'm not good at it. Okay, I stand corrected. I'm sorry. It is starting to look bullish. How did you call that?
Just like I said, just keep seeing it hit that overnight VWAP and just keep buying it up. And like we've been trading above overnight VWAP all night. We dipped into it like twice after the open, and yeah, it's just been going higher and higher and higher. So that's kind of what I was thinking. So let's see.
I might have to start putting an overnight VWAP on here.
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't always have that much value, right? But I would say on a day like yesterday with so much like bullish momentum, it's definitely something to consider. Although I don't really have any trade plans at the moment.
Yeah, I'm just sitting and waiting. Actually, I'm going to go and grab myself a cup of coffee.
Yeah, sounds good. See you in a minute here.
I'll be back.
Music licensing reimagined.
Jeez, guys, the Dow is just, oh my god! Like, look at this thing. So we're up here, opened up at, you know, what was this price right here? 110, 47, 110. We're down at 46,750. So we're down 350 points from the open. Just plummeted. That's part of why I think, you know, the ES is falling so hard right now, because these two are a little more correlated, right? You know, NQ is more tech heavy, right? So that's why typically if I see a super bearish or super bullish, typically the ES is going to be a little bit affected by that, and not so much NQ. Although, you know, ES being bearish is going to affect the NQ a little bit, putting a little extra weight on that. But yeah, definitely wish I got into a short on the NQ right now, guys. Holy smoke, that's the trade this morning. But we're currently in the middle of the range and not doing a whole lot, so I'm not really looking to take any trades just yet. Would like to see some sort of move and some sort of volume here. We might still go lower just because, you know, the other two are looking so bearish overall. You take a look at the Mag 7 again here. So we did make a new sort of a high from the opening. Is this opening here? Here. Yeah, so we did sweep the high on the opening price, the 630 candle on the Mag 7. So looking pretty bullish there. Pulling back a bit, but overall pretty bullish.
Music licensing reimagined.
Gonna watch go back to the YM here. I might try to take a long on the YM if we start finding a bottom in the Patrick Wieland account. So while we're being patient here, I'm just gonna upload my two trades or my trades from this morning here. Export this guy.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
So we're starting to roll over a bit here on the NQ, guys.
Artlist.io.
I don't know if you're still in that eval short, Jose, but you're nicely back in the money here. Maybe we're going to end up taking out the lows. That Mag 7 bounce was pulling back pretty hard. So between ES and the Dow right now,
Music licensing reimagined.
and the Mag 7 pulling back, we could definitely potentially see a little bit of a move lower here.
What is this? I go away for a couple minutes and you make everything go down?
Yeah, I know. Hey, it's just everything's so heavy right now. Between the Dow and ES being so bearish, more bearish, and then the Mag 7 was up sort of at like sweeping out the high of the 630 candle, and then it started pulling back. So then that's kind of like if the Mag 7's pulling back and everything else is pulling back. I mean, obviously it's heavier, right? We're back down at that overnight VWAP again. Just trying to update my calendar here. So another $300 positive on the day now. So I ended up $18 positive on Sunday with that late night trade. And then now with these two morning winners, these 150 winners, I'm up 315 on Monday. So yeah.
I'm just gonna sit here and wait.
Music license.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking right now too. I don't like that we're stuck in this range here, this in the middle of the channel here. So
yeah,
Jose just added in more micros on the New York anchor break. Then a limit buy partially got hit. So some green today. Nice.
Yeah, we gave up half the gains that we just got in one 5-minute candle. So
yeah.
This might be a trade from the top of the range to the bottom, and from the bottom to the top type of day.
Yeah. We're definitely stuck in a range right now, right? Between whatever 175-ish down to 140. Not including some wicks, but
music licensing reimagined.
I just noticed you have for a title on this, competing live in Patrick Wieland's 50K trading competition.
Yeah.
And you're streaming to my my Twitter feed. So people are gonna start thinking that I'm in that.
Okay. Yeah.
They're not.
You want
I don't care.
Okay.
No, don't. Leave it up. It's more than fine.
Wayne says I'm waiting, sitting on the sideline for a good setup. Yeah. Definitely good choice, Wayne.
Good choice.
Obviously, if you're into trying to buy this range or sell the range at the top or the bottom of this range, I mean, you could make some trades there, but it's a little too volatile and not really going far enough for me to be taking any trades in there either. So let's get paid by being patient here today.
The only way I ever get paid.
Artlist.io.
Every time I jump into a trade and I don't wait for it, like wait for something good, yeah, I lose. And then I get mad at myself and have a bad day.
Yeah.
Yell at the dog, kick the old lady.
Music licensing.
There's some of those shirt comments you're talking about to the Traders Post guy.
Oh, yeah. Well, there you go.
My dog yell at the old lady. There you go. It's right there.
Kick the old lady, yell at the dog.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Wayne, I like that one.
Artlist.io.
This laugh like thing that I got, the laugh lasts forever. Like it's like
just
probably
keep going.
20 seconds of people just continuing to laugh.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, I'm gonna stop it. You get the idea.
Randy sent me a link to the Airbnb that he's staying at.
Oh yeah?
So I might end up going there for a few weeks in March, hang out in
nice.
Mexico.
Just you or the family too?
Oh, everybody.
Okay, yeah. So you'd rent something sort of like right near
Rent a house like Randy has.
Yeah.
It's a nice place.
Yeah, I saw the pool. Looks pretty crazy. Overlooking the beautiful view.
I didn't realize I was following Hillary, Randy's wife.
Oh yeah.
Music licensing
And
reimagined.
I look and I'm like, who the heck is this? It shows up on my feed. I'm looking at it. And I'm like, all right, it's a bunch of people in a pool. Big deal. And then I saw Randy and was like,
Oh.
who the heck is this?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was his wife. All right, I'm looking at another short here on the NQ if it gets back up to like
Artlist.io.
172. Did I say short? I meant long.
Okay. Yeah.
Music licensing
Yeah.
reimagined.
Did say short. Previous day low. Where's previous day low? 24,923. Wow. That's like a mile away.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to get my levels set up on this one chart here. I mostly use the trading view just for,
Artlist.io.
to keep an eye on everything, but it's good to have it also on your chart so you look away for a bit.
I wish I could just trade everything off of TradingView.
Yeah. The only thing is that I
Music
don't really
licensing
like is that you
reimagined.
can't buy bid or sell ask. So if you're doing limit orders, that's totally fine. Or if you want to market in and out, that's fine too. But like usually when I'm entering, like on my Project X, I'm hitting the buy join bid, which
Gotcha.
puts you like on the bottom of the spread, right? So if it's
Artlist.io.
making moves higher, it's hard to get in like that, obviously, because it's just going to leave your order behind. But
That's
if
when
you do
put
get
in your
that,
limit order
yeah, if you do
or
get
market
that
order.
little entry, little pullback at your entry price and get in, then you're going to be in a slightly better situation, right?
Music
That's kind of the way I look
licensing
at it. So.
reimagined.
And I'll usually kind of like sell the ask if I'm long and I'm trying to like cover some of the shares. So again, you're going to get another pick out of it at least. So YM did finally find some support down there at 46,700, which is a previous day's low in the pre-market low. So maybe this is where I could do a Patrick Wieland long on YM. So I'm gonna take one contract right now and see how it starts playing out. Sort of a stop just below. There we go. Yeah, I entered one long there. I'm going to put my stop a little bit below the low of these recent structure here. So one stop. See if we can't sort of catch a move on the YM higher.
Artlist.io.
Let's get this up to the 5 minute here. We are on the 5 minute. Okay, nice.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm going to sign in on my Trade-Evade account so I can keep track of that trade without having to keep the Trade-Evade chart open.
Artlist.io.
That way I buy in too, right from TradingView if I need to. Oh,
Music licensing reimagined.
pretty happy with my morning so far. Don't really want to give it back though. 160 in two accounts there. Is that what it was? 160? 144, 115, 154. Yeah, 160. There we go. We're starting to go bullish there.
Looking a little bit better now.
Artlist.io.
So I think that, in the Patrick Wieland's account is like the drawdown is static.
Music
So you got $5,000 drawdown. So whatever, if you get, like it doesn't ever change. It's not a trailing drawdown.
That's great.
Yeah.
Does your drawdown go up as your
Yeah.
profits go up on that account?
Yeah, I think so.
Or does it reset after the trading day back to 5,000?
I'm pretty sure it just adds the drawdown. So it's kind of more acts like a cash account, right?
That's great.
Yeah, so I would love a prop firm with that kind of rule. Hey.
Yeah, wouldn't that be nice?
But
Can you imagine how much money those prop firms would lose?
Yeah. But I guess it is kind of like that once you get past that drawdown, the trailing drawdown amount, right?
Yeah, generally on a 50K account, once you get funded, you can take payouts down to, I think your limit is $52,100.
Yeah.
So it's your initial profit target or your initial drawdown plus $100.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Just trying to see if it shows the drawdown amount.
Music licensing.
Yeah, I was pulling back a little further. I hope it doesn't go lower here. Hey, good morning. Who was that?
That was Hank.
Nice. I haven't seen Hank on the camera before.
He's a little nudge.
Oh, which?
He's a little nudge. A nudnik.
Nudge? Oh, yeah.
That's the fachine. Pain in my butt.
Oh, yeah. So are you like Italian background?
Yeah.
Okay.
A little bit. Nudnik is that's actually Yiddish.
Oh yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
So I am looking at potentially, like, I would like to take a trade in my Lucid accounts here. So I got them ready to go, but I'm still obviously waiting for some sort of, because we're still in that range. Like, we bounced out of it there. Yeah.
Artlist
Self-explanatory.
Yep. This is 8:25 a.m. and I'm already up a couple $100 for my one trade this morning, so
yeah,
I might just call it a day soon.
Music
yeah, I mean,
but 10:30 New York time. Randy on the ASFX stream right now?
Yes, he is. Oh, it looks like Randy might be in a trade because Christine just put in the ASFX TV. Oh, sorry. Randy's asking Christine where her take profit is. So she's must be in a trade somewhere.
Artlist.io.
I bet you she and Rebecca are both in shorts right now.
She did a markup. I think she's in a long. Yeah, she's in a long.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All right.
On MES, so it looks like
Music
interested in an
licensing
entry
reimagined.
around these levels, made low, small sweep of the low, wanted a stronger reaction, TP set to front run high a day. Okay.
All right.
And looks like her stop is sort of at 67, 66 ish on the ES.
Ooh.
Artlist.io.
So she's got a lot of room on the downside still, sort of down to those lows. My Dow position's up to 60 right now in that trade, on the Patrick Wieland trade. Let's see how we react. We're getting into a bearish fair value
Music
gap
licensing
over up there,
reimagined.
so. And ES sort of coming up to the point of control right now, like basically sitting right on point of control. Wayne caught the sell on NQ, done for the day. Very nice, Wayne. Congratulations. That's whenever you're done for the day earlier, you definitely get a couple air horns and an applause, because that's kind of what we're all hoping to do, right? Get in, get some money, get out, be green.
Music
Don't be greedy.
Reimagined.
You can be a bull, or you can be a bull, you can be a bear, but just don't be a pig. Is that right, Nick? That's Nick saying. You can be a bear, you can be a bull, but just don't be a pig. I'm gonna have to make a banner about that one. Oh, your mic's off.
Artlist.io.
FYI.
I don't know how that happened. I'm
I saw
always
your
good for a ridiculous, dumb comment.
Yeah.
Gold is heavy, oil is slippery. Be a bear, be a bull, don't be a pig. Pigs get
cool.
slaughtered and eaten.
Music licensing reimagined.
You only trade halal meats or what?
It's got to be kosher or halal, otherwise I'm not eating it.
Yeah. All right, so we're getting a bit of NQs looking pretty heavy currently. ES rejected twice now off of basically the overnight VWAP, which is lining up with previous day VWAP and also the point of control, all right there. So it's definitely a key level. That's 67.79 on the ES.
Gotcha.
Hey, Dad. Good morning.
Music
And Johan.
licensing
Good morning.
reimagined.
How you guys doing? Good to see you in the AM. It's like 10:30 over for Johan because she's East Coast. Good morning. So here's I'll just give you guys a quick look here. This is my my Patrick Wieland competition trade here. We went long on the YM down at the bottom here, and we're currently up $315 in that trade. So not bad. We just set our initial balance, guys. So let's mark that up on our charts. Looking like currently we need to pay attention more to our IB
Music
low.
licensing reimagined.
Just since we're closest to that one right now. Not to say that we aren't going to head to the high and take that, but as we get up there, we can consider marking that one off. So this is IBL, IB low. This color, we'll put this one with. What color do I normally have my IBs?
Just went into a short on NQ.
Very nice.
At 145.25.
All right.
Adding one into it.
Music licensing reimagined.
And I'm out.
Very nice. There you go.
That was it. That was
How you-
my trade of the day.
Very good. Very good.
Artlist
My Dow's looking really good here. We're up 440 now on this one single mini. Hoping that we're going to get a continued retracement all the way to like overnight VWAP. So I'm thinking for 46,962.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oof.
Look at that pullback there on the NQ. So we're kind of at that key level here. Are the buyers going to hold this? This is kind of like the sidewalk thing that Austin and what's his name from Strong Trader?
Artlist.io.
Tanner, Lawrence.
Tanner always talks about taking the trade at the edge of the sidewalk so you don't fall off the roof. Which just means like, you know, either taking a long near recent lows or
Music
short near the highs.
reimagined.
Sort of.
Yeah.
For
You'd
the
rather
chat.
fall off a sidewalk than a roof.
Yeah, exactly. So Wayne said we're in a consolidation on the NQ. Missed those longs from the overnight gap because I was looking for at bookmap for orders to fill in there. Gotcha. Yeah. Oh, Brett Simba, who's that? He's like one of the other prop firm guys. Is he the top one futures prop firm guy?
No, Tradeify.
Tradeify. He's number 42 on the Patrick Wieland competition leaderboard.
Music
All right.
licensing reimagined.
Then another short here.
Wow.
137.25.
Artlist.io.
I'm gonna reload this coffee.
Do it. Thinking I shouldn't have got into this trade, so I'm now $100 in profit approximately.
Music licensing reimagined.
I love me some coffee.
Wonderful thing, isn't it?
Yes.
So I got out of that trade.
Nice.
I don't know how many points I took, but I got $125.
Sweet.
So
Perfect. Times 9.
12.
12. Okay. So 12 times. So that's 1200 plus 25, 250. That's like around 15, almost $1,600. Very nice.
Not bad for 30 seconds worth of pushing buttons.
Yeah.
Music licensing.
And I'm like thinking,
reimagined.
maybe I should try a long hair.
Oh, I'm not staying in anything for a long time frame here.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm still looking at big orders. Yeah, there's no reason for me to be bearish on anything long term today.
Mm-hmm.
I think once NQ gets down to the 93 level, it's gonna start coming back up.
Yeah, there is a lot of consolidation down there for sure.
I'm actually thinking about putting just a limit order there, just a limit buy order.
Nice. I'm gonna run a Fibonacci here real quick and see where we are in
Music
relative to
licensing
this whole move from the
reimagined.
start of the day. So we are pretty close to the midpoint of the whole move from last night. So, that could definitely be our bouncing point, which is kind of like right at 25,117, which is actually the low of that
Artlist.io.
the lowest sweep that we had there earlier. So that's kind of interesting. So right on IB low is a 50% retracement point of the whole move since the start of the day.
Music licensing reimagined.
So what we could try to look for is sort of a sweep of that IB low, and then it just continue back higher. That would be something we could be looking for. So my YM trade's looking pretty good here. We're currently up 675 now in that trade. Off of
You're trading YM now?
Yeah, in the Patrick Wieland competition there.
You're such a degenerate.
I took a long one mini, and it's up 700 right now. So I'm looking to get I'll probably start trailing it a lot tighter once we get up to 46,950 area. But let's see, what does Wayne say here? Oh, that was William earlier. I was getting confused there. I thought Wayne typed that in earlier. William said he missed the longs from the overnight gap. Gotcha. For some reason I thought that was Wayne. Sorry if I said that, but the power of trading, 1,530 seconds. Yeah, exactly. That's Nick's motto. Banking in seconds.
Artlist.io.
I'm either gonna make a little bit of money or I'm gonna lose a little bit of money. And I'm okay with making just a little bit.
Yeah.
It adds up over time. I mean, that's...
Yeah, locking in greens.
Green is green.
Music
And if you're treating it like a business,
reimagined.
Yeah. That's the main goal.
it is. But I don't know many people that actually do it like that.
Yeah.
Well, watching people on FOMC just full porting their accounts, copy trading, 10 accounts, full porting them, and then
Artlist.io.
immediately buying another 10 accounts.
Yeah. to try to take the next FOMC candle that's going down now in the next 10 minutes. I am a little bit guilty of that. I did take, although it was an eval, I did take one FOMC trade last. Yeah, the last FOMC. But I did wait. It popped up and it came all the way back down. I waited that whole 1 minute after, and then I entered as it started recovering again, going back to the highs. I think I made like $600 or $700 on that long.
Artlist.io.
Definitely aggressive though, and I wouldn't have done it if I was in a funded account.
Gotcha.
Music
So we
licensing
formed
reimagined.
3 bullish fair value gaps on the YM on the last 5 minute candles. So it's just looking super strong on the bounce right now. This is our first candle here that's sort of showing a little bit of a pullback here, heading sort of down back to the previous day's VWAP.
We're bouncing off New York's VWAP right now.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, you're right, actually.
We were above VWAP with a strong candle on the last 5 minutes. It's playing with it right now. It's just tickling it.
Yeah. Yeah, if
See
we
if it
were to
gets
get a strong
rejected and
closure
goes
below that, I think about stopping up.
Music licensing
I'm sorry, what was that?
reimagined.
I was going to say, if we get a strong closure below that, I'll think about trailing up my stop to stop me out on that Patrick Wieland trade there. Tapped in profit on the second account, Jose said. Nice. Currently looking pretty heavy on the YM or the NQ. Sort of flirting with the point of control, which also has the 200 EMA there. A pretty key level. And we've been holding below the overnight VWAP now for the last couple candles.
Music licensing reimagined.
Kind of thinking about adding to my YM long, the PW YM long. We are holding that New York VWAP. I'll probably wait for this candle closure. Or if it starts to look green.
Artlist.io.
It just, YM just likes to do whatever it wants to do compared to the other indices sometimes, right? So
Why don't trade it?
yeah. So it's kind of like you almost need to trade it opposite of the trend of the other indices.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, I should probably bring my stop up just in case here. Make sure I at least lock in a decent chunk on this trade so I don't, if it decides to go lower, pull back hard, can get stopped out at least in the money.
NQ just wicked down below the opening range.
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, so there's my
Artlist.io.
YM trade there. So I did bring my stop. So my entry's 46,767, and I got my stop up at 836, and we're currently at 912.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, that 200 EMA is down there on the NQ. So, and it often shows as a pretty key level. If I look back at looking back at the chart here, we were well below it when we opened. So we ended up taking it, and then we were support 1, 2, 3 times overnight. Did you say something there? Sorry.
Oh, I said the 65 is a good level to bounce off of.
Music
All right, I'm gonna go grab some more coffee.
Yeah.
Let me know if any monkeys jump up here and start messing with my computer.
They're putting you into a short.
Should lock this thing up.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
So we're still sitting at that point of control. We did sweep Ivy low. So I'm kind of curious as to what we're going to be doing here, guys. I do have half a mind to be taken along, but
Artlist.io.
we do have those orders up at 25,178-ish. 180. 25,180. Let's see here. Let's take a look at this delta here. Cumulative volume delta. We're down. We're negative 2,000. So obviously we've been selling off pretty hard from
Artlist.io.
so lots of sellers definitely in. Just trying to see if we can spot any divergences or anything, but nothing's really sticking out currently.
Music licensing
Looking like we're just
reimagined.
bearish. Although the price has flattened out recently since we kind of like hit these lows here. Kind of a little bit higher, flat higher. We had a steep fall off on this wick, and then we've been kind of popping up and down a bit since then. Maybe I should probably raise this up a bit. You guys can see this a little bit better here. There we go.
What did I miss? Who's in what?
Not much. Nothing
Music
and nothing.
licensing reimagined.
Nothing and nothing. So if I just held my eval trade, I'd be green on both accounts, but coulda, shoulda, woulda. It is what it is. Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Sometimes when you gotta just feel like you gotta cut it if it's a loser, or if it's maybe sell it a little too early. But yeah, hindsight's 20/20 always, right? So don't beat yourself up.
Music licensing.
There's nothing wrong with cutting a loser quickly. If you keep your losses small, the winners that you let run more than make up for it.
Yeah. So buying that low definitely is looking pretty good right now. All three indices are sort of pumping right now. So
Artlist.io.
that's good that they're kind of working in unison right now. So they finally sort of have seemed like they've lined up a bit.
The
Which is a good sign.
third break of VWAP.
Music licensing reimagined.
So if you post your trade and link
Artlist.io.
Patrick Wieland's name, if you took any trades in the account, he's kind of like going over it on his feed and talking about it. Maybe I should mark up my long from yesterday.
Do
Post
it. Why not?
Yeah, get a little more exposure, right?
Music licensing.
I mean,
reimagined.
that's one way to do it. I know that guy's got a big enough audience to where if he starts talking about Dave the Butcher, you're he might make you famous.
Never know. Never know.
Artlist.io.
Is that your goal?
I mean, I would like to have a successful YouTube channel. So getting people like that to know you in some sense or to talk about you would definitely be a benefit.
Absolutely. And if you can monetize your YouTube channel, then, you know, more than one stream of income is always a good thing.
Oh, for sure. Take a little pressure off the trading side.
Yeah, between your farm, the trading, you can be one of those internet trading gurus. Start selling a course or signals. You start selling signals. I'm flying to Canada and punching you in the ding dong.
Artlist.io.
I'm not. I'll never do signals for sure. Because that's the last thing I need to do is get a bunch of people mad at me because I made the wrong call, right?
Oh no, man! You just need to do the, what is his name, Ross Cameron
Music licensing reimagined.
thing.
Yeah.
You're like, oh no, I got out of that. Yeah, here we go. I was absolutely correct 100% of the time.
Yeah. Made 300,000 on that trade. How did you go red?
Oh, that you just mismanaged it. If you use my signals, you'll be a millionaire in a week. I can turn $500 into $500,000 in 45 seconds.
Yeah.
I'd like to meet that guy one day.
Yeah, no doubt. So this
Just
price
a light-
action's been so tight that we haven't even formed any fair value gaps
Music
since
licensing reimagined.
the one from before the open.
Yeah, I think I want to meet Ross Cameron just so I can light that fruity little ponytail on fire.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I'm gonna mark that up while we're
Music
waiting here and
licensing
post it
reimagined.
and tag his name. Since I'm not really in any trades, might as well do something productive here.
Might as well. I mean, we've had what? Not even 10 points of movement in the last 20 minutes.
Right?
Happy Monday. At this point, I'm thinking if you're green, just close it up for the day.
Yeah, that's what I'm leaning towards also.
Artlist.io.
It's 11 o'clock in Chicago. Volume's going to start drying up here shortly, so see what the P&L is for the day. Negative $943,000.
Licensing reimagined.
Too bad we didn't just leave a long on all night last night, hey? Like we were talking about.
Yeah.
It really would have worked. Like really well. Considering, you know, what we did right before the open there. Like we pumped. We went from 25,000 to 25,240 in like the last, you know, from 1 a.m. on. So, damn, I should have just left those contracts all the way.
I was talking about it.
Yeah, talking about it's one thing, right? But it's a lot harder to actually do it.
Yeah, it's I'd have been waking up every 20 minutes, getting up to look at my computer.
Yeah, and you'd be like, yes, okay, it's good. Then I go back to sleep, wake up. Oh, what's happening?
Oh no.
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
I do find it funny that I actually did better in Monday evening session than I did in New York.
Yeah, it's just sometimes like, I mean, obviously we had a nice trending evening, right? So a little bit easier. Whereas, you know, these choppy opens are pretty tough. I've been actually getting most of my best trades are kind of like more at like 11 a.m. for me,
Really?
which is, or 11. Yeah, like kind of like after we've sort of slowed down, and then the new trend sort of gets taken in, and I find that those tend to be a little bit cleaner.
Artlist.io.
You know, for me, anything after noon, I get smoked almost every time.
Music licensing reimagined.
Well, I'd love to see this stay above New York's VWAP and just continue higher.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
All right, I did my first write up there. Why did I take that other trade?
Artlist
Did I take that other trade on NQ? I'm trying to remember here. But I'm gonna add this markup here to my X channel.
Look at you being all transparent and whatnot.
Music licensing reimagined.
I just want to tag Patrick Wieland.
I dig it. I'll send him a message later and just ask him something stupid.
Artlist.io.
You think ES is going to break through this resistance at 67.80 today?
Let me take a look here. 67.80. We do have the 200 EMA there, and that's sort of midnight open, looking like we are. When we just after you said that, it popped up real nice. And Q's looking popped out of this channel that I had drawn, bullish downtrending channel. I feel like if we can get a nice closure above the value area high, we could think about taking a long sort of. There is a bunch of wicks up there above the value area high, so it would have to be a really strong move for me to want to get in to a long up there, just because up until 25,191, it's there could be some pretty big seller resistance in that area. So Wayne said, same here, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. I can see a clear direction of the trend. Yeah. After those guys take their lunch or whatever, they come back, the big ballers, and they're like, no, time to take it the other direction.
Yeah.
So I'm currently up 790 in that YM trade there, just letting it do its thing for a bit here. Thinking about dragging my stop up a little higher. Don't want to choke it out, but also if it does decide to pull back pretty hard. So ES rejected perfectly off of the that 200 EMA there. Like slightly wicked higher of the 200 EMA and then fell down.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
What is Patrick Wieland's name on oh, I spelled it wrong, that's why. Patrick W-I-E. There's so many Patrick Wielands.
A lot of fake ones.
Yeah.
So I took a long on ES.
Okay, nice.
67.79.
Music licensing reimagined.
Let's see. Does he have his X channel under the profile?
Artlist.io.
And I'm out.
Very nice, Nick.
Woo.
Fire trades.
Yeah, today I have to be scalpy, otherwise I'm gonna start blowing up accounts.
Music licensing reimagined.
Was it at Wieland Trades? Let's see here.
Hold on, let me check.
Yes, it is. It's at Wieland Trades. WIELAND Trades. Oh, no, maybe not. Well, it says follow. I don't follow him yet.
Artlist.io.
I mean, it shows the blue check mark, so it's got to be him, right?
Maybe.
Music licensing
Yeah, I think it is because it
reimagined.
says LOL at Brett Simba. And remember, I was saying that Brett Simba was on that chart, so. Okay, so at Wieland Trades.
I think we need a Randy B candle here.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Interesting, like you can tag people at the bottom of your post, and it's saying that he can't be tagged in photos. But I just put at his name, so that should work fine.
Artlist.io.
You can actually get a bit of a bigger picture of it. Zoom it in a little more.
Music licensing reimagined.
All right, I'm gonna switch over to
Different bucket.
I'm switching over to my my big accounts now.
Artlist.io. Music licensing
Oh, all right.
reimagined.
On the day, I'm up $620 per account for New York
Nice.
session. Add
That's
that to the
beautiful.
1,400 I made last night.
Very good.
Oh shit! I just made up my losses from Friday.
There you go. Nice.
Hey.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
I think Wayne's asking how long you've been trading, Nick.
10 months.
Yeah, Nick is a little bit newer to futures, sort of like me. I've been
Music licensing.
I'm at around 6
reimagined.
months right now. Flirting with that value area high here.
So explain what that means to me. Why do I care about the value area high?
It's just kind of like the top of the price range from the previous day's action. So I think it takes to account basically 70% of the whole range, and the point of control is like the middle of that. So we're kind of like at the high end of that range. Just like to watch these levels, for some sort of confirmation as to whether, like, if we get some closures and we start going higher above value area high, then can definitely see some continuation sort of, right? So it's just another key level. So it's rejecting off of there. It's been rejecting off of there mostly all morning, right? So, and we did reject there again, start to pull back a little bit.
Artlist.io.
It's a really small pullback.
Yeah.
My long got picked up at 67.83. Had a limit order in.
Okay, nice.
Music licensing reimagined.
Ooh, I'm up a tick. Yay.
Artlist.io.
Very nice.
I got a real tight stop on this, so I'm not looking for a huge move, but I'll take one if it comes my way.
Of course.
Music licensing reimagined.
I love being outside, having my computer out here and trading in the tropical dry forest.
Yeah.
But it just started raining about 10 minutes ago and then stopped. So now I can see the swarms of mosquitoes to my right.
Ooh.
So if I jump up and run away, that's why.
I'll know why.
Music licensing reimagined.
Added one into this.
Artlist.io.
Risking a total of 300 on this trade.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Is this ES long going to be a jerk and start pulling back now?
Ooh. Well, we have a bullish fair value gap just below the wick of this candle, and it's sitting on the 200 EMA there, which was resistance before.
Artlist.io.
Just finishing up, marking up my second trade from the
Gotcha.
that tournament here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Got a little bit stupid and added into that.
Uh-oh.
No, I'm all right with it. My risk is still pretty low.
Artlist.io.
But it just pulled up off the previous candle's bottom. I'm in profit
Music
now.
licensing reimagined.
Very nice.
Barely, but it's there. It's just a teeny bit green. If it goes through that 67.84 level, I'll be thrilled.
Artlist.io.
There we go. Posted my second trade. Now I could mark up this YM.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, we're pushing up there nicely.
It's where I have to keep my temptation under control and not open up my stop loss
Yeah.
to let this play out.
Artlist.io.
Cut this if it starts going into the red. I'll cut it quickly and see if I can get back in later, or just stop for the day. Hey, look at that.
Music
That's looking nice.
licensing reimagined.
I'll be right back. Gotta go to the bathroom quick.
I hate it when you're in a trade and have to go use the restroom. One of the more uncomfortable feelings I experience on a regular basis.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Joanna, you took along? I did.
Artlist.io.
I don't think Dave's in anything right now.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
And I'm back. Sorry about that. ES is definitely the trade to be in right now. NQ's going nowhere.
Music licensing
So
reimagined.
I'm not in the trade. I'm up 935 now on that Dow long. 950. Should almost just take it. But I just don't know if it's done yet. We're flirting with the overnight view up there. Currently, we're holding, looking like Thursday or Friday's view up.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I'm just a hair into the green, so I might be cutting this out here shortly.
There you go. Nice little bounce. A couple more ticks. Oof.
Take as many bounces as I can get right now.
It's sitting at midnight open price.
What's
That's,
that?
The midnight open price right now is 67.83.25. I think I'm going to start trailing my stop up here on the YM trade a little bit higher. Basically below the low of the most recent 5-minute candle. So try to lock in these gains. We're currently up 900 in that trade, so that's pretty good.
That's a nice trade for you.
Yeah.
Is that in your competition account, or is that your
Music
competition account?
Reimagined.
Got it. I wish this would just pick a direction already.
Right?
Artlist.io.
Just watching the YM here. See,
Music licensing
we can't break
reimagined.
this overnight view up. Would be beautiful. There you go. Getting a little bit of a move there on the ES now.
A little bit.
There you go. Popped it up to the 85s.
That's what I wanted to see.
Where do you took your trade, Dave? Oh, I'm on. So I'm doing that Patrick Wieland's tournament competition here, and I took the trade, as you can see here, down at the lows of the YM earlier. So I went one mini long, and obviously we bounced real nice. So now I'm just kind of trailing my stop up below this 5-minute candle here. Yeah, up nicely though, up 950 currently on that trade. So hoping for a little bit of a move higher here still. Would like to see us get sort of back up to value area low or point of control. I mean, potentially we could even go higher, but we'll see.
How long have you been in that trade?
I got in that trade back at somewhere around there, somewhere around 7:10 a.m. So
Wow.
my time. So I've been a little over an hour and a bit in this trade now. So
Artlist.io.
Look at the big cojones on Dave.
I need to start applying these strategies to my funded accounts. Jeez.
Okay. I have my personal accounts copied to this, so
Music licensing
you
reimagined.
gotta be careful.
should always be careful, Dave.
So you said that a company that stopped allowing copy trading, right?
Yeah, Elite Trader Funding.
Elite Trader Funding. Is there any others that did that too, or is they the only ones right now?
The only one that I know of. It's the only one I heard about. I think I'm going to be on Traders Post's live stream tomorrow.
Yeah.
maybe Thursday. I don't remember. I have to look at my calendar.
Uh-huh.
But when I go on, I'll ask them if there's any
Yeah, they
news
would.
coming up about other. Yeah, oh yeah, they're pretty dialed in with that.
Music
They have to be.
licensing reimagined.
So they said if you do take a trade, I don't know how the rules are going to apply, but they're trying to get rid of those people who are copy trading like other people's accounts. That's kind of the reason that they're doing it, because somebody can like say, well, yeah, just give me your password and whatever, and then just start linking all those accounts, right?
Artlist.io.
And then trade it for some other people, and that's who they're trying to stop.
All right.
That's the reason behind there, from what I heard, is why they're doing that. So as long as you're not taking part in that, you're not going to get banned or anything. But they did say they might reverse any trades that were taken on a copy trader.
Reimagined.
Yep. Yeah, the profits from copy trade. The email that I got was profits taken from copy or third-party copy traders will be forfeit, and they may close your accounts.
Yeah. Well, if they find that you're, using other IPs or whatever, I don't know, being tricky about it, right? But I did hear that one of the copy trading companies, the third-party companies, they are like basically kind of like backing up the trader, being like, don't worry, as long as you're not doing anything nefarious, like we got your back, sort of like we can prove that you're not letting somebody else trade your account, basically, right?
Yeah.
Music licensing
They got checks
reimagined.
on their end for that. So
Well, that's one thing I would never do is trade for somebody else or let somebody else trade my accounts. That's just
yeah, of course,
it's just poor form. All right, this bounce is
paying you.
yeah.
Johan, I'm on YM on my trade. So that one's up $1,000 now. A
Artlist.io.
little over 1,000. I'm gonna probably start trailing a little bit tighter here below this. After this 5-minute candle closes, I'm gonna move it up.
All right, I
Music
just added into this.
reimagined.
See where this goes. I got my stop loss set in with 200 in profit. So every point it moves up, I'm going to move my stop loss up a tick until this chart tells me it's time to pull out.
Yeah.
Music licensing.
Or until I
reimagined.
decide to stop being greedy. Because, like you said earlier, don't be big.
Don't be big.
And so that was 20 minis for
20
an
minis.
average.
Nice.
20 minis for an average of 4 points. No, 6
I
points.
ended up taking along on my Lucid account. It might end up stopping me out here, actually. It's pulling back pretty hard right now. I went
Music
one
licensing reimagined.
mini long on this breakout. I got my TP set at $95, so not looking for a huge move on it, but looking like we're might end up getting stopped out here. It's just pulling back here.
All right. Oh shit. All right, I'm up $3,500 per account on 12 accounts. And on my big accounts, I am up 4,750. Oh, 4,747. So there's 5 of those.
Music
So I think I'm done for the
licensing
day.
reimagined.
I'm going to pull up my degenerate account now.
Yeah,
See if I can actually get a payout from this. Maybe someday.
maybe someday.
Maybe.
Way too much profits, right?
Yeah. I screwed up with that pretty badly. So
Yeah, it can be a negative thing winning too big, eh?
yeah, it can. It's unfortunately, when you're dealing with prop firms, it is like playing a game. You have to know the rules, you have to know the game, and you can screw yourself by making too much money in it. It sounds stupid.
Yeah.
Music
But
licensing
if you go
reimagined.
above a certain point on a single account, it's like you just keep adding in as it's going in your favor. You make 10 grand on an account with a consistency rule, it's going to be a long time before you can take a payout.
Yeah, that's trouble, right?
Artlist.io.
Yeah, it's not looking good for me right now. I'm down 300 in this trade. And this is my Lucid account, so I'm copy trading 5 accounts. So let's see if we can't get a continued bounce here. We've been forming a bunch of wicks on the bottom side, so I'm not,
Music licensing
you know, there's
reimagined.
a chance we're going to head back up to my entry price still, but not looking that good at the moment. I took a long on that break of the that channel. Or that sort of like full flag.
So I just put in a long, got in at, hold on, let me find out. 67.83.25. The long in my degenerate account. I got 5 minis on there right now.
Wow, nice. Got to get that one up to like 100,000 in profit.
128,000, I think I need to get into that.
For the consistency?
Music licensing
Wow.
reimagined.
Well, hey, never know. Keep getting those big W's. You got a lot of drawdown to play with.
I do, but I have a feeling I'm just gonna end up blowing this account.
My
Throwing
I
on
thought
5 and 10 minis at a time. I'm either gonna get lucky or I'm gonna blow this account. This is not good trading. This is not my normal rules. This is me going, okay, well, we're gonna throw on 5, see what it does. If it keeps going, throw on another 5, and if it keeps going, throw on another 5.
Music licensing reimagined.
So I'm out of that YM trade. I got stopped out there. I trailed it pretty tight. So that account's up $2,723 now.
Damn.
3 trades.
Nice trading there, buddy.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
If I can get back to my entry price, I think I'm just going to drop my stop break even here on this trade. I don't want to be taking a big loss in my 5 eval accounts, but it's having trouble getting up there right now currently. So
Music licensing reimagined.
could use a Randy B candle though right here. Would be beautiful.
Yep. Just mute your mic and talk dirty to it a little bit. See if you can't get it up.
Yeah.
Please
Talk
mute your
dirty
mic
to it.
because I don't want to hear what kind of stuff you.
Artlist.io.
No.
Kind of dirty talk I'm
No.
going to say. Yeah.
Just no.
Yeah. Just no.
Just no, thank you. No, thank you. All right. Well, I think I'm just gonna move my
Music
stop up
licensing
and see if this will
reimagined.
go. All right. So the most I can lose on this is positive $62.50. So that'll cover my commissions and fees.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Thought I was gonna get wicked out there for a second.
Yeah, it is pulling back a tiny bit there.
Music licensing
It's gonna
reimagined.
rip higher. It's gonna hit 67.90 in no time.
I hope so. Jose says sitting on my entry at the moment. That was a couple minutes ago, 1 minute ago.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I just put my take profit at 67.94.
Nice.
Music licensing reimagined.
It's right up at that high a day, so figure I'll let this play out a little bit and see where it goes.
Nice. Yeah.
All right, it's my turn to hit the head. I'll see you in a few.
Okay.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Lots of orders up at 25,180. See if we're gonna take some of those orders up there. Pretty strong resistance. Got me a little worried about this trade now. Should have looked ahead at those orders, ahead of time. Basically, I entered right at the bottom of those big order block there. So hopefully it's a draw on liquidity, and we're gonna take that out here pretty quick. Would be nice.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Wicked into those orders a bit and rejected here. Let's see if they can't push up there again here and try to take that out now. Hit like the 79s there, 78 something. Trying to pull back a little bit more here.
Wow, I'm still in this trade.
Yeah, haven't done much since we
Artlist.io.
did pop up a bit, and NQ rejected off a bunch of orders up at 78, 79 area.
Music licensing reimagined.
Hopefully they're going to take another attempt at those orders up at the 80 level there. 25,180.
Sitting on Jose's entry.
That was at 8:34, or 5 minutes ago.
$5 minutes ago. Sorry, Dave. I'm so bad at streaming with you.
Oh no, it's all good.
I pay so much more attention to my trades than anything else.
Of course you should. I mean, that's the priority here.
All right, I got stopped out. Made $67.50 on that one.
Nice.
Not really. This is my degenerate account.
Oh yeah. Big size.
I need to do a lot better than that.
Still green.
Yeah, green is green. I'll take it. Sound like a jerk. Oh yeah, $67. 67 bucks. I didn't have.
How many? Or is it just a single account?
What was that?
Is it just a single account, or you got multiples?
Yeah. No, it's just one degenerate account.
Nice, yeah.
Essentially, I have to make. Figured it out. It's like $3,000 per trade for. I can't even remember how many trades. Like 42 trades.
Artlist.io.
Come
All
on
right,
here,
another 5. Got another 5 minis here. Put my stop loss down.
Reimagined.
67.80.
Flirting with those orders at 25,180 again. Sort of rejected off them. Come on, guys, let's go.
I want to text Randy and tell him to summon one of his favorite boner candles.
Yeah, please, Randy, summon it. Be the summoner.
I don't know how he does it, but he should do it right now.
Music licensing reimagined.
So if you can hear these birds and howler monkeys and it starts bothering you, tell me and I'll turn my mic off unless I'm saying something.
Cool, yeah. No, I haven't heard any of it yet, so
All right.
The software's kind of probably locking it out.
I have the noise reduction turned up on my mic, so
We can't seem to take those orders up at the 79.80 level here. Just needed to pop through there. That's right where my take profit is. It's just on the other side of those orders. So 81.75 here. Come on, boys, let's go. Might drop my stop in here a little bit. Oh, we almost got there.
eat it.
Come on, eat it. Eat it, eat it. Go, go, go. Yep, dropping my stop. I'm actually moving my TP up a little bit here. Worst case scenario, I'm getting 70 bucks. So yeah,
70 bucks
I'm
you didn't have.
stopped out here.
All right, I just added another 5 minis. Moving my
So I
stop
stopped
loss
about
up.
65 bucks in 5 accounts there. So
So the most I can lose is a positive
Licensing reimagined.
about 150, something like that, about 150 bucks.
nice.
I got 10 minis on right now. And I'm just crossing my fingers and hoping that this this launches up on me. Oh, look at that.
Artlist.io.
Are we gonna do it? Oh, come on, don't fall back. Yes.
Music licensing.
There you go.
Yes, is actually looking a little bit better for me now.
Yeah.
Up $800 now, if my math is correct.
Wow. Nice.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, wishing I didn't trail out of that stop right there. Oh, well, money's money. Green is green.
A little green is better than a lot of red.
Yeah, I mean, I was down like
Reimagined.
200 at one point in that trade. So
All right. Add another 5 minis to this.
wow.
Stop loss up.
Is there a max of minis you can get in that account?
20 on this.
Oh, crazy.
I got 15 in right now.
Artlist.io.
15, I got.
Music licensing reimagined.
Whew. Leaving a little pit in my tummy tum.
Yeah. Feeling a little pressure on the trade. I mean, you're in really heavy.
I mean, yeah, I got 15 minis in right now, so.
That's wild. That's what I should be. That's how I should have been trading that YM trade this morning.
Music
Although you can only get a
licensing
maximum of 10
reimagined.
minis.
All
So
right,
good,
but still.
good Monday for me. I'm up 621 on the day.
All right.
Beautiful move there. Look at that.
Woo! All right, I just cashed out of that one. So.
Man, I wish I held on to that.
All right,
I
that
got-
was
I got scared and dropped my stop in there, and then yeah.
all right. So I'm done with that one for the day, maybe.
What did you make on that?
$7,554.04.
Wow. Yeah, that's wild.
Music licensing.
I was on one
reimagined.
account with 15 minis.
Yeah, that's huge.
All right, hold on.
Beautiful move to the upside on NQ. Yeah, it is looking really nice right now. Are we going to head towards previous day high? Quite possibly now at this point. And Jose closed it at 190.50 on his third account. Nice. I wish I held it longer too. Shoot.
Artlist.io.
The problem with when I'm especially in my copy traded accounts, I just only see the downside for some reason when I'm copy trading. I'm just like, oh my god,
Music
like
licensing reimagined.
if I $500, it's just like that's what's rolling through my mind.
Yeah.
I don't know if copy trading. That's why I haven't been copy trading much.
It can be nerve-wracking.
Yeah.
I mean, and on Friday, it was when I saw that number when it was down $22,000. That was only $1,000 per account on 22 accounts.
Yeah.
So, I mean, trying to think about it like that, though, it can be real hard.
Yeah.
Music licensing.
So, ES is looking really good here. Currently pushing up to past the opening price, and we got the high a day is at 67.94. Could look for a pullback long opportunity here if we get one.
IO. Music licensing reimagined.
Looking for a pullback on ES around 67.90.
Okay. Oh, I haven't changed the music in so long here.
IO.
This one's a little bit happy music.
Artlist.io.
I'm gonna get up and dance here in a minute.
It's called Wakey Wakey, this song.
All right.
Music licensing reimagined.
Ralph's up. I think he's gonna want to go to the bathroom here pretty quick.
Always happens as soon as you get into a trade.
Yeah. Somebody needs something.
All right, we're gonna pull back off the 67.90.
Artlist.io.
I'm wondering what that the competition leaderboard is looking like right now.
I don't know.
Oh, dude.
Where is it?
Oh my god. People have like the top 5 or the top 3 are at 30,000 in profit.
Reimagined.
Jeez.
Yeah.
On a single account.
Yeah.
In
Not even a day.
It started last night at open, right?
Yeah. But they were only up at like people made 30 grand today, basically. Because some of those guys were only up at 7 or 10 grand or something in the morning. So
Artlist.io.
That's impressive.
yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be landing in the lowest of the leaderboard is 10,645 and in position number 49. So I mean there is a long time to go still, but
That's something. I was impressed with myself just now making 7 grand.
yeah. But it's not 30, right?
No,
Music licensing
I'm never-
reimagined.
I've never made 30 grand on a single account in a day.
I mean, I shouldn't have been such a wussy if I would have went in with more size on that YM. Could have multiplied that by.
Yeah, but
Every-
you're used to
1,000.
following your own rules.
Yeah, I know. I
That's,
don't really want to blow out my whole trading strategy either. But
No, but remember though, you're trading an account that is never going to pay you.
yeah,
So
Music licensing reimagined.
Maybe we'll get that pullback here on this candle. New 5-minute candle just started. NQ's almost taking out its open price. 25 to 214 there. Pushing up to it right about now. Actually touched it on the last candle, but
Music licensing reimagined.
All right, so I really need to pay a lot more attention here. I just passed 4 more
bells.
Yeah.
Nice. So you got to submit those or something, or which firm is that?
Yeah, I just went to the Elite Trader funded website and logged in, and yeah, I've got 4 accounts here that I need to
get switched over.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'll do that when we're done here.
Yeah.
Oh boy, I need to get it together. I really wish Elite Trader funding would let me just copy trade the way I normally do.
Right. You're gonna have to set up like copy trading on it on there or whatever, Tradevate or whatever they use.
Yeah.
Treat it as its own batch.
Yep, and I do not like Tradevate. I don't like Tradevate, and I don't like Project X.
Prefer Trading View?
I do.
So just taking a look at our viewership here, we got 11 in X channel, 1 in my X channel, 4 in your X channel, and
really
4 in my YouTube, and 0 in Randy's, and 0
Music licensing reimagined.
I didn't think I had 4 people following me on Twitter or X.
Yeah. So we did just sweep the open price. We just took out the open price on NQ.
Artlist.io.
Is anything good happening on ES right now?
Well, ES just keeps grinding higher.
Music licensing.
Yeah, it's a slow grind.
Which is typically what we see on these Mondays with no news. Recently, anyways.
Yeah, we don't have any news until Wednesday, so what do we have? FOMC this week, non-farm payroll. Oh, government shutdown, so we're probably not going to have the unemployment or...
Does FOMC still happen with the government shutdown?
Artlist.io.
Maybe?
I don't know. I could not tell you. I'll call up Jerome and ask him.
Artlist.io.
What's up, Ho?
I don't call him Jerome. I just call him homie. We play golf together.
Music licensing reimagined.
So that's how you know when to take those longs on the
Yeah,
FOMC
right.
days.
No.
ahead of time. He's like, yeah, make sure you take that.
I
long
was
couple."
only kidding. Do not say that on the interwebs.
Yeah, no doubt.
Oh shit. Hey, buddy.
Artlist.io.
So Dave, I don't know if you can see him, but there's a little capuchin up in the trees behind me.
Hard to see. That's pretty cool.
Music licensing reimagined.
It's like little monkeys.
Starting to get a little bit of a pullback here on the NQ and Y, and all three indices. Maybe that we just dipped into that 90 level there. 89, 80, 88.50 is the ES opening price. 67.88.50.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I was looking for a pullback off of like somewhere around the 90 to 92 area.
Artlist.io.
90 to 92, we're there right now.
Yep. I'm just waiting to see what this candle closes at.
Nice, yeah.
I'm up on just about everything today, so I'm not willing to screw around too much.
Gold is super bullish today.
Well, U.S. government shutdown, gold is gonna go higher.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Artlist.io.
So we're close to the top of the range here. I wonder if this is going to actually push out of the range. That's so funny. I just said we're just at the top of the range, and then 2 seconds after, Patrick
It just
Wieland's
pops
like,
up.
we haven't popped outside of the top of the range yet. So it's like everyone's on the same wavelength.
Reimagined.
I think we're all reading the market exactly the same way today. The ASFX guys have anything going on now, or they stopped their stream already?
They've been stopped for quite a while now.
Yeah, I figured.
They only were 1 hour 40 minutes in the stream, so
Man, I can't do this with you anymore, man. Every time I get online with you,
yeah,
I end up trading an hour past my normal cutout time.
yeah, and making a
start
lot
taking
more money.
You are a bad influence. I have rules for a reason, and you go and make me act like a degenerate gambler.
Well, hey, it's working out in your favor today. A bit.
A little bit.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, I'm kind of I think I'm almost done here. I just don't want to. Had a decent day so far. What am I up? Yeah, up 620 across my funded accounts and then my lucid accounts.
All right.
And I would be up even higher if I didn't take that big loss last night, unfortunately. That 450 loser.
Pull up my trade Zella and see what how much damage I did today.
How much good damage.
Music licensing
Six.
reimagined.
All right, I did okay today.
Oh yeah, I'm
Close
sure.
that up.
Starting to pull back here a bit. No?
Yeah, it's gonna hit that 687 and bounce right back up though. Or 6787, 687. You know what I meant.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
I'm only 600, 500, or 665 away from passing my TPP eval.
Where is all this volume coming from right now? We got 4,000 orders.
4,000 orders on ES?
On ES? My book map's showing me 5,047 orders at 67.90. That can't be right.
No, I don't see that. I see like, hundreds of orders, like 150, 140, like that, but not 5,000.
Yeah, I have 5,047 orders at 67.89.75, 3,900 orders at 67.90, 4,056 orders at 67.90.50.
Oh, is that, are you looking at this session volume profile? And not the orders?
Oh my God, it switched over on me when I changed my... Ooh,
Gotcha.
Thank you.
Yeah, so that's where I'm like, I'm seeing those, so that's the volume, right, on those levels?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. I about had a heart stroke there.
Yeah, you're like, what the heck's going on? Like, something's really weird. So those two little tabs got, like, switched?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
yeah, you can just drag it over. I see that. Interesting.
Yep.
Okay.
So look at that. I told you it was going to bounce off that 87, and it bounced off the 87.
Yeah, it did.
Now ask me if I put a limit order in there like I should have.
Shoot.
I didn't.
I think I know the answer.
Yeah. All right, so that was a missed opportunity, and now I am done for the day.
Yeah.
Dave, you have a lovely Monday evening.
Thanks, you too.
Anybody watching, you do the same. Make good choices. Act like an adult.
Don't be a pig.
Don't be a pig.
Music licensing reimagined.
Be kind to each other. All that nonsense.
Yeah.
All right, Dave, I'm out of here. I'll talk to you later.
Have a good one. See ya. So 9:07 here. I might just stick around we'll stick around till 9:15. We'll give it a few more minutes. Just hang out and watch his price action, see if anything shows up. But currently, just kind of up in the top of the range here. Not really sure what the price is going to do going forward. This could be our rollover point where we start heading lower. Yeah, nothing really sticking out at the moment. Could just try to take a long to go higher, but YM starting to roll over pretty heavily. It's pulling back quite a bit, and the other two sort of did pull back a bit, but found some support. So yeah, looking pretty decent though this morning. So took 7 trades today total. 100% win rate, so I gotta like that. You can see here's my calendar. Up 621 today, 7 trades, 100% win rate. So decent start to the week, definitely how I want to see it. Got to keep chipping away at those funded accounts, get them back in to profits. And yeah, just looking to have a nice solid green month again would be beautiful. Just continue on from last month, except for getting rid of some of those big days.
Music licensing reimagined.
Switch up this music a little bit here. Starting to get that pullback here though. Do we have any fair value gaps there? We are currently in a bullish fair value gap right here. Quite a big fair value gap though. It's basically this whole section right here, from here to here. Mark that green for bullish. So could put an entry in here, but I'm not looking to. I don't think I want to take any more trades today, guys. I kind of overspent some of my mental capital last night, so I'm feeling a little tired today. My Patrick Wieland competition is still alive anyways. I did take one small loser last night, but ended up recovering that. So now we're up 2,700 and three winning trades basically. So not bad. Currently about halfway through that fair value gap here. So this is a 5-minute fair value gap. So to invert this, you would need a closure below it. Pulling back, we don't really have any levels in this area either. So that's kind of what worries me a bit. We do have the 9 EMA right there, which we seem like we're finding a little bit of support. But yeah, we'll give it another 5 minutes here. Just hang out for a bit, and then we'll wrap up the stream at 9:15. I do have some stuff to take care of here, so I'm probably going to head out. I'm going to try to get back for Power Hour today. Don't hold me to it that strongly, but because I do have some stuff to take care of today. So we got to get out. If I can get everything done, I'll try to get back for the Power Hour. See if I can't catch a nice trade in the afternoon. I'm wondering if this is going to be our sell-off here, guys, if this is where we end up rolling over. The Dow is sort of leading the pack right now on this, and it's recently just broke the New York VWAP. See that? We end up rolling over here. Sometimes the Dow is kind of the leader, you know, it's kind of like gonna tell us that the rest of the indices are going to roll over here also. But until this fair value gap gets inverted, I would say there's a chance that we are going to be going higher still, right?
Music licensing
Uh-oh.
reimagined.
I'm just looking at the ring camera from the farm, and it looks like there's a cat going into the yard. You gotta worry about those chickens. I better call my mom. I'm gonna mute her for a sec here. Sorry, guys.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
just realized I was saying bye to everybody and my mic was turned off still from making my phone call there. So just wanted to say what's up to everybody. Thanks a lot for hanging out. We're going to wrap up the stream here. It's 9:15 a.m. Pretty green on the day so far. Small green, 621 on the green day. So happy with that start to the week. Wondering if we're going to hold this fair value gap or not. Currently, we did pull back all the way to the bottom of this fair value gap and finding a little bit of support here. But if they do invert that, there'll definitely be a chance that we're going to head lower on the day. But probably avoid taking any more trades going forward. So just wanted to say thanks everybody for showing up. I noticed that I did get another subscriber, so we're up to 69 subscribers now. So thank you, whoever did that. Appreciate it. And we'll be back live tomorrow morning, Tuesday, 6:30 a.m. or 9:30 a.m. East Coast. And we'll be live with Randy and Christine and potentially Thomas. Just never know when Thomas is going to show up, but he's been joining us on occasion lately. So there might be a number of us on tomorrow that we can, you guys can hang out with us while we're getting some trades done. So yeah, thanks so much everybody for tuning in. Hopefully everyone's green. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow. So peace out everybody. Good night, or good afternoon, and yeah, have a good day. See ya.